Hey guys, today's video is going to be a haul. I went sourcing over the weekend and picked up some things. You know, this is just another bread and butter type haul, but I did find a brand that I've been looking for. I've been on the hunt high and low, and I finally found it. I'm so excited. I'll probably show you guys that at the end of the video, you know, to keep it suspenseful and shit. Let's get into the haul. First, I'm going to show you guys some things that I kind of, I forgot to take that one off my mannequin. I am first going to show you guys some things that I kind of DIY'd myself. I bleached some shirts. You know, it's summertime. I'm getting back into doing that. I'm too lazy to take this shirt off of the mannequin. The mannequin's literally right there, but I don't want to get up. But it's a Bruno Mars tour t-shirt. It's the 24K, carat K24, whatever, golden friggin' tour. I'll put up a picture right here. You can see what it looks like. Yeah, it's a tour shirt. It's a size extra large, and I decided to bleach it. My husband found it, I think, at the bins. And he's like, hey, you try to sell it. So I'm like, okay, it's kind of boring, just a regular tour, band tour, because it's not old. You know, if it was an older tour, like a vintage, then I probably would have left alone. But since it was just kind of meh, I bleached it, and that's what it looks like. This brand, I think it's called Esprit. It's an 80s, 90s brand. This is a vintage hoodie that I DIY'd. It's a size large, and I bleached it. Where's the sleeve? There we go. It's purple. Where's the logo? Where's the logo? There it is. The Esprit logo. I'm pretty sure it's pronounced Esprit. Just wanted to make it a little different because it was just, you know, plain purple. I'm like, nah, it needs a little something, something. This sweatshirt my husband also got at the bins. It is a size large. It's a men's large, so a women's extra large probably. It is a Boston College shirt, and again, I bleached it. If you guys want to know how I do this, I do have a video showing you guys how I do this. I might do an updated because my technique has changed a little bit, but I'll link that video down below if you're interested. But this is this guy. I have another Boston College sweatshirt that I bleached. I'll have to put up a picture. I don't know where it went, but I live near Boston, so I always find Boston College stuff. But this is Bryant University. It is a Champion sweatshirt, size small. Another one that I fixed up myself. And yes, it does have the Champion little embroidered logo. A lot of people ask me, like, on my Champion stuff. I have a lot of Champion stuff. By the way, if you're interested, I just got in a huge lot of Champion new with tag stuff. A lot of people ask me, you know, if I have a sweatshirt for sale, does it have the logo on the sleeve? And yes, this one does. We have a Nike hoodie. This is a men's medium, so probably a women's large. Like this. It has a hoodie strings. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like hoodie strings because I don't know. I feel like they're just annoying. You know, if it's a windy day, they'll be like all in your face, or you know, if they're uneven, that's I don't like that. So I'm not a fan of hoodie strings. My husband's like, oh, you gotta have the hoodie strings. Is that of a hoodie string? If we're at the thrift store and I get a sweatshirt, does it have hoodie strings? Dude, relax with the hoodie strings. Like, yeah. But I think all these sweatshirts have hoodie strings. So if you're a hoodie string lover, I got the hoodie strings for you. There's that. I just realized I have a stain on this shirt. That's great. Awesome. Cool. Why do I think I can wear white? So I have a pink Victoria's Secret hoodie. This is a size medium. I decided to bleach this on myself just to kind of, you know, liven it up a little bit. Oh, I just smacked myself in the face. This sweatshirt I had for sale in my closet for the longest time, and it got so many likes on it, but nobody wanted to buy it. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to bleach it. It's a Champion hoodie. It is a zip-up men's large, so like women's extra large. Looks like this. Is the Champion logo right there. Yeah, it was just a blue color, and like I said, it got a lot of likes, but nobody wanted to buy it. So I'm like, all right, I'm going to completely change it then, and hopefully somebody will buy it. There's this. Here's the other Boston College sweatshirt. It is also a Champion sweatshirt, size small. Here's that. And that. Okay, I've got two of these Adidas sweatshirts. These are both new with tags. I have a size small and a size medium. I'm gonna provide measurements because the small, I feel like the small fits like a medium and the medium fits like a large. I actually had somebody comment and say, I wish this was a large, but I'm gonna tell her measurements because I'm pretty sure the, like I said, medium will fit like a large and the small will fit like a medium. It's definitely oversized. Like, this is a small. Like, that's huge for a small. But I don't know, I just thought it was cool. It's like a kind of like a camouflage paint splatter print type thing. I don't know. So yeah, here's the small and then the medium right here. But yeah, again, like, this is a that's a huge medium. This would definitely fit a large. So I gotta measure this and tell that girl. Okay, I found some AG jeans, and upon further inspection, these are men's jeans. I've never sold AG men's jeans, so I'm excited. These are the Protege. Guys, I need to redo my hair. I added more blonde and it is like so, oh, I don't even want to show you guys. It is so brassy. I bought like purple shampoo and purple conditioner and purple like masks, so we're gonna get rid of that. But I like the dark and then the blonde, but I hate, at least on me, I hate yellow brassy blonde on me. I hate it. Anyway, these are a size 33, 34. And they're in excellent condition. They were in the women's section, and I just grabbed them because I love selling AG jeans. And then when I got them home, I'm like, these are men's. So, yeah. Okay, now just some random stuff that I found. Some Prana leggings. These are a size small. I've stopped picking up Prana because I feel like it just doesn't sell. I think I have a Prana wool sweater in my closet and something else, but I feel like it doesn't sell for me. But I don't know. I want to get their leggings. Leggings. I try. This is what they look like. They're blue and they're kind of like scrunched on the side here. And we got a scrunch butt. I feel like a scrunch waist. It's not really on the butt. Guys, I want to buy some of those TikTok leggings. By the way, you should follow me on TikTok. I created a TikTok and I'm going to get on it. And I think I know what my first video is going to be. So my TikTok will be down below. I'm pretty sure it's Vad is Rad. I'll have to check. I'm so late to TikTok, I know. I feel so old on there because it's like kids. It's kids, right? Okay, I got some Levi's. These are the 710 super skinny jeans, size 26. These are in excellent condition. I love this light wash color. I love light wash jeans. More Levi's. These are the 711 skinnies. I love the 711 skinnies. This is a bigger size. It's a size 32. I've started going, at least when I look in the jeans section, I go to the bigger sizes first. I don't know why. I was so like, not afraid of selling bigger sizes, but I just thought bigger sizes wouldn't sell. I don't know, but I'm going to the bigger sizes now first. So yeah, 711 skinnies, size 32. They look like this, and are they distressed? Yeah, oh yeah, they got that cute little patch on the knee. It's got like flowers or something, some type of print. I don't know, but again, this light wash, I love light wash jeans. Literally excellent condition. Zara jeans, I thought these were cute. These are a size 4, and they just have these like, these what are these, like this beading down the side, really cute, and it has a raw hem, high-waisted too. I don't know if it says what they're called. No, it doesn't, but yeah, they're high-waisted. I don't know, cute. I thought the little thing on the side was cute. I don't know, how many times can I say cute? Found some vintage jeans, guys. I found some Gitano jeans. Oh my gosh, did any of you guys wear Gitano jeans? I did. I think I still remember the commercial. It was like Gitano girl style, or something like that. I had to get these. Yeah, these are Gitano jeans. They are a size 14, but you know, we all know that vintage stuff, like the sizing isn't accurate, you know, because it's older, you know, it's been washed. So I do have measurements. I don't know the measurements off the top of my head, but these are amazing mom jeans. Gitano high-rise mom jeans. Yes. And these are in really, really good condition too. We have some Lee jeans, some vintage Lee jeans. These are a size 12 petite. Again, you know, the sizing really doesn't matter. I do have measurements. These are just more mom jeans. You know, since it's petite, they'll probably be a little bit smaller. I think the inseam was like 26, no, or 27. I don't know. I'll have measurements. My phone. I have measurements on the listing, but excellent condition. I was tempted to make these into shorts. I don't know. I bought 2 pairs of Levi's that I'm going to make into shorts, but I don't know. We'll try to sell these as jeans, and then if they don't sell, maybe I'll make them into shorts. I thought these Athleta pants were cute. They are a size small, and they're just leggings, but they're like shimmery. Oh yeah, you can see. They're like shimmery, and I love this color. It's like a brown, like a light brown. Oh, it looks different on camera. It's not as dark. Like the camera makes it look dark. It's not. It's like a light brown. But I thought these were cute. Okay, I found some Kate Spade pants. I saw this print and I'm like, what are those? Those look nice and fun and summery. They're the Kate Spade Saturday pants, size 25. Yes, very summery, right? Wear them like to like a barbecue, or like if you're going out on the boat, you know. I didn't really look up comps for these. I just saw Kate Spade and I'm like, you know, I haven't really sold. Have I sold anything Kate Spade? I don't think so. My mom actually just sold a Kate Spade purse. Dun dun dun. This is the brand that I found that I've been looking for. So I first heard about this brand from my girl, Jenna, Empty Hanger. I always talk about her, but she's like, seriously, a Poshmark goals. Who's texting me? Who is texting me? Who is this? Who is this? 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Yes, I found 1 teaspoon shorts. I'm confused on the sizing though. I have to measure them because it says 6/24. I don't think a 6 is a 24 waist. A 24 waist is like a 2, I think. So I don't know if they have like their own sizing. I gotta measure these, but I was really excited to find these. These are so cute. Cute. These are the Bonita shorts. I think they're called the Bonita shorts after doing some research, but this is the logo. And this might be an older logo too, because I have seen the other logo where it's like white and it has like the sizes and the sizes circled. So pretty sure that's an older logo. I found 1 teaspoon. Now I gotta find Mother. I have not found Mother denim yet. That's next on my list. That is it for this little haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. If there's anything that you see in this video that you want to purchase, it'll be in my closet. Everything will be listed by the time this video is up. I'm gonna try to get this video up today. So fingers crossed. We'll see how it goes. Hey, if you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.